The 63rd Annual Grammy Awards, which recognizes achievement in the music industry, were held on the 14th of March on an outdoor stage at the Los Angeles Convention Center. Beyoncé became the most awarded female artist in Grammy history, with 4 wins that evening, totaling her Grammy career to 28 awards. She now only trails the classical conductor Sir George Solti, who holds the all-time record of 33 Grammys. The other awards included Savage rapper Megan Thee Stallion for Best New Artist, Billie Eilish won the Record of the Year, Taylor Swift won Album of the Year for Folklore, and Dua Lipa won the Grammy for the Best Pop Vocal. BTS, the chart-topping supergroup, gave an electrifying performance, which was recorded in South Korea, since they couldn't be at the award ceremony due to the pandemic.
The riddle of the week is: which 3 numbers, none of which are 0, give the same answer whether they are added or multiplied? This is tricky, isn't it? And the answer is number 1, 2, and 3.
Eye graspers, did you know that the Starry Night, one of Van Gogh's most famous paintings, was recreated in the night sky using 600 drones in China? The night show was called A Tribute to Van Gogh, and it now holds a Guinness World Record for longest animation performed by unmanned aerial vehicles. In other words, drones. It lasted 26 minutes and 19 seconds and was executed using high-precision positioning technology that coordinated and synchronized all the drones. This was a collaborative effect of a local drone production and Tianjin University, China. Sometimes art can be found in places you least expect it.
The word of the week is ambiguous, which means not clear or not having one obvious meaning. The movie had an ambiguous ending.
A new species of giant flightless cricket, also called weta, has been recently discovered. It is label red in color and long-legged. This species of the weta, which is a native to New Zealand, has been named Hemiandris jacinta. The scientist who named and officially described the insect mentioned that it was a striking species and had traits replicating the Prime Minister. Interesting, isn't it?
Can you guess who? This Indian badminton player represented India 3 times in the Olympics. She's the first Indian to win 2 single gold medals at the 2010 and 2018 Commonwealth Games. She became the only female player from India to attain number 1 ranking in the world in badminton. Yes, you smashed it. It's Saina Nehwal. Did you know that she has been conferred with the Padma Bhushan, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, and the Arjuna Award?
Dear eye graspers, this week we bring you the classic book series The Secret Seven by the great English author Enid Blyton. The books feature a group of 7 adolescent child detectives and their adversaries who hate the Secret Seven Society. The kids solve one mystery after another. The stories are loaded with adventure to keep you readers guessing till the end. Read the series and blog in the form of illustrations or essays on igrasp.com/iClub.
Did you know that cats cannot taste sweets? Yes, these feline beings, along with their cousins, tigers and lions, do not have taste receptors needed to taste sweets and are entirely carnivorous.
Quiz time! What is a group of cats called? Send your answers to contact us at igrasp.com. Answer for the last week's quiz. Scoring 0 in the sport of cricket is called a duck. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Debarati Das of St. Augustine's Day School, Barrackpore, for successfully participating in the weekly quiz on India's leading news capsule for tweens, iGrasp.